guys! DaySee here.
And Jude here.
And welcome back to another travel vlog. OMG guys! So we're traveling again and this time we'll be going to Bali, Indonesia. But before that guys, we'll have our layover first in Singapore. So we chose the long hours of layover. We'll be staying there for 23 hours in Singapore and yeah, we're gonna explore Singapore for a day. So this will be my second time in Bali guys and third time in Singapore, but it feels like
still feels like first time.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
Ikaw,
the
babe,
excitement is still there, right?
Yeah, have you been to Singapore?
Yeah, many times when I was still working on board the ship, but yeah, hindi ko naman talaga napupuntahan like yung mga tourist attractions kasi yun, limited lang yung time namin.
So we'll be staying there for the night. So matutulog kami doon. Actually, nag-book kami ng hotel doon para matulugan namin. And then tomorrow pa yung flight namin going to Bali. So we'll be staying in Bali for 8 days.
Yeah, 8 days.
So yeah, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes, excited. And finally guys, nakalampas na din kami sa immigration. And by the way guys, this is going to be our wedding anniversary trip.
Yeah, first wedding anniversary trip.
Yeah, first wedding anniversary. So last year, after our wedding, we went to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
If you guys could still remember, na pagkatapos ng wedding namin is not diretso, but pumunta kami ng Hong Kong, travel kami. So that was our first international travel together, and this is the second, no, the third international.
So yeah, we're so excited guys.
So what are you waiting for?
Follow us in this adventure and let's go. Tell me you're update. We just arrived here in Changi International Airport. So we're here at Terminal 1 guys. So we've passed by the immigration and now we're gonna claim our SIM for our data here in Singapore.
Yeah.
So let's go.
So kapag darating na kayo guys dito sa Changi International Airport, you need to fill up the SG arrival card kasi requirement yan dito guys sa airport nila, and for safety purposes na rin yata yun. Pero mabilis lang naman, no? Nasa ano lang naman, smartphone lang naman.
You just scan the QR there.
Yeah.
And then fill up ka lang.
And also, of course, free wifi sila dito. So, free wifi din naman sa atin, pero mas mabilis dito. So ngayon guys is papunta na kami sa SIM card booth. Kasi yun nga, i-claim namin yung SIM card na binook namin sa KLOOK. Yeah. So eto na yun guys, dito na tayo mag-claim ng ating SIM card, I guess. So you just have to exit the customs lang guys. And yan, dito na tayo maka-claim ng ating SIM card. Para makapag-internet na tayo, di ba babe?
It already includes EasyLink card, right?
Yeah. I'll need passport.
Oh, passport. Alright guys, so I'm now setting up the SIM card. So I'm gonna insert it to my phone. So isa lang yung binili namin guys, tapos mag-hotspot na lang kami. Tapos ito pala guys is 100 gig na siya. Yung card itself, pwede na din siyang magamit sa mga MRT or mga train station. So yeah.
For only 700 pesos?
Yeah, 700 plus sa
Wow.
KLOOK. And then, yung nabayaran ko baby is mga 400 lang kasi meron akong mga like vouchers doon.
Nice. So ayun guys, sineset up na ni DaySee sa kanyang phone ang nabili naming SIM card. Mag-hotspot na lang kami. So para tipid guys. And isang araw lang din naman kami dito sa Singapore.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight.
Wow!
Promise to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Ride my spaceship through the sky.
Grabe guys, ang ganda. Relaxing
It's
siya
like
din,
an
no?
indoor waterfalls na here sa airport.
And it's super relaxing guys. And actually, ang daming beses ko nang nakapunta dito sa airport na to. But mabilisan lang kasi yung ano namin guys, transit namin. So, hindi ako nakakapag-explore sa airport ng Changi. So right now guys, since we still have 23 hours guys dito sa Singapore, so let's make the most out of that time. So yeah. Ngayon ko lang na-explore and nakita talaga tong jewel na to. Kasi before, di ko talaga siya napupuntahan kasi busy yung transfer namin. And if OFW ka guys, talagang mabilisan yung transaction sa airport. So, ayun. So, ngayon guys, naghahanap kami ng ATM machine kasi mas malaki yung palitan kapag sa ATM machine ka mag-withdraw ng pera. So, pero try pa rin namin kasi wala pa kami makita na ATM dito. Naghahanap pa kami. So, ayun guys, try namin mag-withdraw dito sa UOB. Ayun guys, here na kami sa UOB and dito lang din yan sa loob ng Changi Airport or International Airport. Dito kami magpapapalit or mag-withdraw ng money. Kasi sabi nila, mas malaki na yung palitan kapag ATM machine ka mag-withdraw. So, yeah. Alright guys, we have decided na magpapapalit na lang kami ng pera dito since medyo nagka-problema yung GCash card ni DaySee. So, nagpapalit kami ng $50.
Alright guys, so tapos na kaming magpapalit ng pera. So we just exchanged 3,000 pesos guys. And equivalent siya sa mga 64 Singaporean dollars. So try muna namin kung magkasya siya. And then right now guys, we're on our way to T3.
T3.
Yeah.
MRT station.
MRT station.
T3.
So we'll find the MRT station going to the city. So mag-train lang kami guys. Let's go!
Let's go!
Creation is coming alive.
So we just got out of the train station guys. So nag-exit pala kami sa EW11 na Lavender Station. Then ngayon, naghahanap kami ng kakainan.
Yeah. So nandito kami ngayon guys sa Kofu. So dyan kami papasok kasi may mga nakikita kaming iba't ibang klase na food na hindi lang fast food. Actually merong McDo dito guys. Ayan o. So sa likuran ko may McDo guys. Pero since sa Pinas palagi tayong nagpa-fast food, so try natin yung mga ibang mga kainan dito guys. Let's go.
Finally, our food is here. So I ordered their signature fried kwai guys. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. But anyway, so there's some shrimp, and we also ordered noodles. And yours, babe?
I think this is chicken.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour chicken with rice. And this is a ramen, guys. Na spicy, I think. So yeah. Let's go. Let's eat. Marina.
How many?
Kaya lang. Hindi kami nakapag-lunch guys, kaya ayan.
Gutom.
Gutom.
Gutom ang mga person.
Sarap. Yung vibe dito is para siyang food court ng SM, no? Mga ganun.
A few moments later.
Naglakad lang kami papunta sa hostel namin guys. Ito yon.
Space Pod.
Space Pod Lavender. So we're now here sa hostel namin guys. So it's like a hostel but like private. So yeah, you have your own private room. It only costs 2,400 guys. I booked this from Agoda. So maganda na siya para tulugan lang kasi one night lang naman kami dito. Tapos 6 PM na kami nakarating. Like, what time na ba din? It's 8 PM na. And then mag-check out kami tomorrow 11. So babalik kami ng airport tomorrow. So magagala lang muna kami dito. And then tomorrow, guys, meron pala silang free breakfast. So, yun na siya.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes.
So, it's called Space Pod, guys. Kasi para siyang, spaceship. So, we have a towel. And then, meron din siya ganito. And then, may saksakan dito. So, yeah. Here. So, meron palang isa pang room, guys. Nasa baba. And here guys, meron siyang USB, and then adjust mo rin yung light. Ayan. Cute. Ceiling pad. And then here you can adjust the temperature, and then you can also adjust like the ambient light. Oh, diba?
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life.
So, nandito kami sa labas ng Marina Bay Sands, guys. As you can see in our back.
So nice, no?
Yes, guys.
Dati guys, nakikita ko lang to kapag dumadaong yung barko namin somewhere here sa Singapore. But right now, ayan, first time guys. For the first time na napuntahan ko talaga siya mismo dito. And yes, it's really nice.
Spaceship tear through the sky, I might leave regrets and wishes and hopes and bets and wondering what would happen. Think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams.
The next morning.
Hey guys! Day 2 here. Day 2, wow! Day 2! Because kahapon yung first day. O, diba guys? So, good morning guys. We're off to Merlion Park. And guys, say hi. Mrs. Castro. And Mrs. Castro. O, diba? And then we're just riding a Grab guys, going to the park. So, we still have half day. Ideally half day. No. It's just like mga 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours to roam around Singapore. So let's go. Ayun yung bangka.
I like it. Yeah. I'm running away.
Hey guys, we're now here in
Merlion! And Mrs. Castro is there guys. So palagi kaming may daladalang mini fan guys kasi medyo humid talaga ngayon dito sa Singapore. And ayan, this is my first time to visit Merlion, even though like I said guys yesterday na seaman ako, tapos madalas kaming nababiyahe dito pero never kaming nakapagala talaga around Singapore. So this is just my first time to visit this place, and maganda siya and very touristy dito guys. Ang dami-dami mga tao ngayon. It's still 7 AM and makikita nyo may mga nagjo-jogging pa guys sa likuran. So 'di ba? May mga nag-exercise pa or nagjo-jogging kasi morning pa guys, pero ayan, ang dami ng tourist or ang dami ng tao dito nagpi-picture. Guys, dito kami sa Merlion and we're still taking photos here. Ayan. It's very humid right now guys, pero carry lang naman kasi mahangin din naman dito.
I mean, it's not really that crowded guys, unlike when it's already like in the afternoon. Yeah, it's currently 8:30 AM.
Always in my head. You never get enough. That summer feeling left. Me and my friends dancing till we drop in the good times don't.
Hey guys, so we're back here in Marina Bay.
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything we need to dance in the glow. Drop in
train, guys, from Lavender. So it will be an 8 stops going to Changi Airport. So it's currently 12:20. See you Bali in a while.
Creation is coming alive. When I'm on vacay mode, be wondering every night to keep my mind from work. Need to go chill by a fire.
Alright guys, so we just arrived here in Changi International Airport. So we're on our way, guys, going to the SkyTrain, going to Terminal 1 because we alighted from Terminal 2. So yeah.
Feeling the sun on my face. That's the way to go. I like this warm embrace. Can I stay for long?
Hey guys, we just boarded the aircraft and this is a much bigger aircraft na Scoot. And yes guys, we are excited. So saan tayo, babe?
We're going to Bali.
Yay!
So we'll be staying there for 8 days, guys, until 25th.
Yeah, and we have actually booked our tour from Friendly Bali Tour, so we can't wait to see Kuya Sura, guys. He will be the one who will guide us sa mga tourist destinations or top tourist destinations sa Bali. So yeah, we're so
Actually,
excited.
guys, when I went to Bali last time, so I also booked my tours from Kuya Sura. That's
Yeah.
why I also booked him this time.
Yeah. And dati guys, even before na naging kami ni DaySee, napanood ko na yung mga tours niya or mga vlogs niya sa Bali. And nung time pala na yun is, yun pala yung travel agency din ni Kuya Sura.
Yeah.
So, nakita ko dun guys kung paano sila inalagaan or paano sila in-accommodate nung Friendly Bali Tour. Kaya ayun guys. So, confident ako na magiging maganda itong trip na to. So, yeah. Enjoy na lang tayo guys and see you guys there. So, I think dito na magtatapos ang ating video about dito sa Singapore, yung layover natin since medyo talaga guys, busy kami dito sa airport. Hindi kami nakapag-talking shot ng masyado dito sa airport. So, ayun. So, I hope guys na na-tour namin kayo saglit sa layover namin dito sa Singapore. So, ayun. Bye guys!